In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Adobe Photoshop. Cropping is one of the fastest ways to improve composition, remove distractions, and get your picture size just right. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. With your image open, start by selecting the crop tool from the toolbar. You'll recognize it by the square icon with overlapping corners, and you can also press the C key to switch to it instantly. As soon as the tool is active, Photoshop draws a cropping frame over your image and usually shows a helpful grid to guide your composition. Next, adjust the area you want to keep by dragging the edges or the corners of that frame. Pull a corner if you want to change both width and height at once, or drag a single edge for a more subtle change. Everything outside the bright frame will appear dimmed. That dimmed area is what will be removed when you apply the crop, while the brighter area is what you'll keep. Take a moment to refine the framing. Think about what you want to emphasize. You can also click and drag inside the frame to nudge the image around under the crop box, which helps you center a subject or straighten your layout visually without introducing any extra steps. If the crop feels too tight, just pull the handles back out. Nothing is finalized until you confirm it, so feel free to explore different compositions. When you're happy with the selection, commit the change. The quickest way is to press enter on your keyboard. If you prefer using the interface, click the check mark in the options bar at the top. Photoshop will then trim away the area outside the frame and finalize your new composition. If you change your mind, you can always undo and tweak the crop again until it looks perfect. And that's it. Select the crop tool, drag the edges or corners to define what stays, and press enter or click the check mark to apply. Mastering this simple workflow makes every edit cleaner and more intentional. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your image.